Welcome back to SNOWCHEF Season 4, where we continue our thrilling journey through the snow-capped wonderlands of the USA, searching for the best that the mountains have to offer. Join us as we dive into the hidden gems of Denver, Copper Mountain, Steamboat Springs, Deer Valley, Park City, Salt Lake City and more, showcasing the unique charm the mountain life brings that we are so hungry to explore. So grab your skis and snowboards, bring your appetite and join us on this exciting journey of gastronomic delights and snowy adventures. SNOWCHEF is your passport to some of the best food and snow in the USA. Get ready to savor the flavors, carve the slopes and get deep into the world of SNOWCHEF.
It's going to be pretty killer. Let's go do it. One shot for this wild bull. Get him. There you go. Look at I tell you, that joint went off. Boys, just let it rip.
For our SNOWCHEF adventure, there's no better place to start than Denver, Colorado, next door to the world-renowned Rocky Mountains, bustling with diverse and unique cuisines and equally as interesting people. The city is alive with character. Perfect for someone looking to immerse themselves before getting quick access to breathtaking mountain landscapes and outdoor adventures.
Kaboom! Here we are, Denver. We are at Linger. We're about to eat here. Have a good time.
Beautiful, beautiful location. Amazing food. The menu looks really good. Are we going to get into it?
Yeah, we are. Let's do it.
Okay, people, here we are at Linger with Marissa. Marissa, hi.
Nice to meet you. Welcome.
Thanks for having me in your kitchen.
Yeah.
We got recommended to come to here because there's something really quirky and really semi-screwed up about this place, isn't there?
Yes.
What is it?
We are a former mortuary, actually. So
love it.
we've a lot of our restaurants that we've purchased have been redone into a different format. So we've been a mortuary here and changed the whole format. So if you go up in the bar area, that's where they would keep all of the caskets. And down here is actually where the hearses would be, where they'd load up the caskets to drive out.
Really?
Yeah.
So anyway, this kitchen is really unique for a number of different things. You have some really unique dishes. Tell us more about it because you've got a really unique flavor.
Yeah, so we like to focus on international cuisine with a really big focus on street food.
Yeah.
So we take global influence from Europe, Asia, India, even the United States, take all those flavors and shift it into a more street food friendly vibe where we can do more tapas style, more shareable, and really just influence the guest experience to have more of like a shared dining experience, which is a lot of fun.
Tell us, what are we going to make? We're going to whip out a waffle?
Chicken and waffles. We took a very classic dish on brunch and put our little Asian flair on it.
So how do we do this?
All right, so first we start with our waffle. So we have our waffle iron right here.
Right.
So we'll let that cook for a couple minutes.
Yep.
We pair it with a slaw, Napa cabbage, carrots. There's some red cabbage in there, some pea shoots from a local farmer that we get.
Yep.
And then we have some nice, beautiful cilantro in there just to reinforce the herby flavor.
Yep.
We have some ranch that we make in-house.
And you just made yourself a little slaw.
Just a little bit of slaw dressed in that ranch just to help with the creamy factor on the dish. And I can't forget about a sunny egg going on it.
Ah, the sunny egg.
All right, so couple pieces of waffle. Chicken tenders, we bread them in-house. We brine them for 24 hours in a buttermilk solution.
Yeah, good
and
old
then this
buttermilk.
is soy powder and some white pepper.
Look at that.
Couple chicken tenders.
Yeah. Beautiful.
My favorite part is this kaya jam. It just is such a bright yellow color, but really just is beautiful on this
Beautiful,
dish.
yeah. Yum.
And then our sunny egg.
One of those scenarios where you just got to go for it. That's awesome.
it.
Yeah. Well, I can't wait to get into that. Thanks so much.
Thanks for coming.
Thank you for having us.
Yeah.
Wow, that looks amazing. Wow. It's so cool. And all these awesome bao buns. She did explain it to me. I can tell you that one's pork belly, that one's chicken, and that one's salmon. Yum.
Okay, we are here in Poka Lola.
Yes.
I am here with Ryan, who is a mad scientist, bartender or mixologist, which?
I think a little bit of all three.
Lovely,
Yeah.
lovely. So we are going to make some cocktails today, which I love doing.
Perfect. So it is the tail end of dry January. So one of our newest introductions is a non-alcoholic Negroni. We use the cheeky name Nogroni. Thankfully, we like to have a little bit of fun and tongue-in-cheek in our names.
Yeah, nice. So just quickly, the Negroni is the SNOWCHEF favorite. We love to have that drink all the time.
Oh, it's beautiful.
So we are going to love trying the Nogroni.
Fantastic.
Nogroni.
Yeah, so we followed the same basic recipe, 1-1-1-1. So it's very hard to screw up a Negroni, so it's very hard to screw up a Nogroni. So we start with Seedlip, which is a non-alcoholic gin analog. We're gonna do 1 ounce of that. And then Liers is this brand new company that makes a lot of non-alcoholic variants of like all basic spirits, but they do a sweet vermouth, which is lovely. And then a non-alcoholic aperitif made by Giffard. It's got that color that everybody knows and loves. Add some ice, and then we're gonna stir.
Wow. Oh, and filled to the top too. That's how we like our Negronis.
Of course.
The orange peel. That's pretty on the money. That is pretty on the money. There we go, sir. It's a great little vibe in here.
Right.
So yeah, you must have some good times.
We do, we have great times. So the whole vibe when it was initially built was an allusion to 1950s soda culture. So that's why you got that mint green and kind of like soda jerk things around the space. So it's also like ode to the past while also looking towards the future and just kind of the mishmash in between.
Yeah. Okay, we're keeping our patrons happy here. This is good work, Ryan.
Thank you. All right. And then you can throw a little flair into it. You can go up, go down, go up high. Yeah. It's fun. We're not doing surgery. Okay, and then you'll know that it's done when it's got that lovely cold sheen on the end. Yep, I think you did it. And then you find that little spot right there in the crease. Hit it. First time, wow. You are pro.
Yeah.
All right, and then you shook it. Cocktail's ready. And then this is our take on the Porn Star Martini.
Oh, the porn star.
One of my favorite cocktails ever. So fruity, but not too sweet. Passion fruit, vanilla, vodka, lime. It's just a banger.
Hey, what was I shaking? Just ice.
Yeah. You were shaking water.
Oh, damn it. I thought I was in for that position number 5 here at Poka Lola. Okay, Ryan, thank you so much for allowing me to come in behind the bar here at Poka Lola.
Of course, thank you for your apprenticeship. You did great.
Thank you. It's laughable, but anyway, I'll get better as the trip goes. You've been my starting point and inspiration to get much better.
Fantastic.
Mate, those cocktails were absolutely superb. Thank you, my friend.
Thank you so much for coming.
Give me a hug.
Oh.
wings.
Okay, we are in the Toro kitchen here at the Hotel Clio in Denver. I'm here with Johnny.
Hello. We're gonna start with our signature cocktail, the Mercado Margarita. This is a beautiful passion fruit based margarita with a rosemary hibiscus foam over top. Do you want to shake this one?
Yeah.
All right, go for it.
go.
Give me a 10-second shake there.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
All right, we're gonna dump it right in there.
Oh, look at that.
Beautiful color. We're gonna leave a little bit of space on top.
Yep.
This is our rosemary hibiscus foam. You're gonna take it nice and slow right around the top.
Nice and slow. Oh, I'm nervous. Stuffed it. I won't get a job here. Sorry.
Well,
Sorry,
it's a
Johnny.
good base to start from there. We'll just fill in the spots.
Oh, okay.
As you can see, it's got the nice pink, the yellow. This is very sweet. This is very tart. So as time goes on, you're enjoying your dinner.
Yeah.
This is going to leak into the drink and make it, and it changes as it's sitting there. So a beautiful cocktail.
Yeah.
Just going to be topped with an orange slice there.
And that goes good on the lips.
And yeah,
No doubt. Now, I should pass this over to my good friend John and give us a little taste test, John.
yeah, we're going to do our casual encounter. It's our spin on Manhattan. So we're going to start with this Laws bourbon,
Yeah.
Colorado bourbon there.
Yeah.
We're going to do 2 ounces of that. This is Drambuie,
Yep.
a little sweetness there.
Love the old Drambuie.
Yes, sir. And then 3 dashes of our orange bitters. You want to go there?
Okay.
Oh, you got to go for it.
Oh,
There you are.
now I'm getting better. Straight in.
It's served smoked.
Yep.
If you want to go for it, you
Yes,
just want to hit the
please.
wood right there. And you'll watch it fill up instantly.
Oh, look at that.
And when it's ready to present, we'll open the cage and the smoke will come out. And we'll have our casual encounter.
Ah, good work, Johnny.
Yeah.
All right, my friend. Thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you. It's nice to meet you.
Will I get a job here in the future?
I think we need a bar back tonight. So,
All right, I'll give it a go.
all right.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah. Now we add our vegetables. Get that a little cooked, and then we're gonna add some sauce to it, and that's our lomo.
Here we are at Toro Kitchen in downtown Denver with Chef Abigail. Mate, what are we gonna do? And the reason I said mate is simply because she's a bloody Aussie.
Hey. So yeah, we're gonna be making his classic yellow ceviche aguachile. So we have some diced hamachi right here,
Yep.
which is the loin. We
Beautiful.
have a little bit of.
Is that loin and belly or is it just straight out loin?
It's mostly loin, but we do have a little bit of belly. We try to
Yeah.
use everything we have
Yeah.
when we're cooking
Yep.
from scratch. So we have our nice hamachi in here.
Yep.
We like to salt it pretty heavily. This is curing the outside of the fish, right?
Yeah. Salt's really important.
Exactly. I like to add red onion to my mixture. So when I'm
One of
breaking it
these.
down,
Yep.
and I add my leche de tigre, which is basically fresh lime juice, fish, ice, garlic, all those components you can taste within the dish.
Yeah. So what's going on now?
So once I add my leche de tigre, I like to mix it up just a little bit
Yep.
for that process. And then his second sauce we have is a yellow bell pepper with ají amarillo paste.
Oh.
So it has that bright consistency, that
Yep.
umami, that spicy
Yep.
flavor to it. So I'm gonna try my ceviche. So you got that salty, you got that
yeah.
citrus, you got that spice from the
Beautiful.
paste.
Yum. That goes with that.
These,
And you know what?
These
I love
puppies.
these. I love these.
they're so good.
Plantain fritters. That's sensational. Yum. That is so good. back on.